$5,000 buyer incentive, golf front with no HOA fees, 4 bedrooms and over 1,900 like-new square feet of luxury. 0.69 acres of green fully fenced yard. Screen porch and extended deck wired for gas grill. Side entrance garage, hardwoods, tile, carpet. Master suite with separate shower and jacuzzi tub. Cathedral ceilings, open floor plan. Laundry room, pantry, split plan for privacy.